Hello student, how are you? I am Arun sir. Welcome to my channel Tuition Expert. Today in this class, I'll teach you Pulley and constraint equation. Student, if you watch my video regularly and follow my class attentively, then I can assure you that you must crack the iitjee exam and Neet confidently with a good rank. Now let's start about the class. First, simple Pulley. So first we consider the simple pulley. Okay, now suppose this is mass m1, this is mass m2, m1 is greater than m2. Now find tension of the string, tension of string and acceleration of two blocks. Here the string is one, same string. So if the string is same, then the acceleration of the both block will be same. This is simple concept because string is same. So if the block moves with acceleration a, then this block moves upward with an acceleration a. This is simple concept. To find the tension and acceleration of the system, we can draw the free body diagram. This is so free body diagram of m1 is this. Free body diagram of m1 is m1g act in this direction, tension T in this direction, acceleration is a. So m1g minus T equal to m1a. Now what is the acceleration? What is the free body diagram of this block? Now the block m2g this direction, T this direction, this is a. So T minus m2g equal to m2a. That is, now add two equation, T minus m2g equal to m2a, cancel each other. So a equal to m1 minus m2g by m1 plus m2, m1 plus m2. And if the block moves downward, then this block moves with same acceleration a. Now a equal to this, so T equal to m1g minus m1 into a. Value of a is m1 minus m2g by m1 plus m2. So if we simplify, we get m1 square g plus m1 m2g minus m1 square g plus m1 m2g by m1 plus m2. Cancel this. So we get, so this is the result. Okay, this is the result. So T equal to this is one result, and acceleration equal to this is another result. So you can simply memorize this formula. So to solve the MCQ quickly, you can memorize this formula: tension of the string and acceleration of the string. You cannot if you cannot memorize, then you can just write the two equation from free body diagram. You can write this equation. So you can, if you can write this equation, then you get acceleration and tension. Now question is that if we use constant equation here, what gets? m1 m2. This for any moment, suppose take this distance x1 and this distance x2. Length of the string length. What is the constant equation? To find the constant equation, we always keep the length of the string is constant. Okay, length of string is constant. This is general concept. If this moves downward, this moves upward, then length of the string is constant. This is general concept. So length of string is always constant. Now suppose this is x1 and this is x2. So what is the relation of x1 x2? x1 plus x2 combines the length of the string. x1 plus x2 equal to L. L is length of the string, L. Now if we differentiate 1, then we get velocity. If we differentiate again, then we get acceleration. So what we get? That is, if a1 and a2 are opposite direction and equal, a1 and a2, if this moves this direction and this moves in this direction, so from the equation we get that a1 equal to a2 and is in opposite direction. Now we get here acceleration equal to, we get m1 minus m2 g by m1 plus m2, and tension P equal to 2 m1 m2 g by m1 plus m2. Okay, now if the whole system, suppose if the whole system moves upward with an acceleration a, if the whole system, this is a acceleration, suppose if the whole system moves with acceleration small f, if the whole system moves with acceleration small f, then what is the acceleration of the two block? What is the acceleration of the two block? This is the question. So here we can use the pseudo force. Pseudo force act here. m1g acts in this direction. Now total system moves upward direction, in the upward direction. So pseudo force act in this direction, m1 f in this direction, and here also T m2g, and pseudo force acts in the opposite direction, m2f. So here the net force downward direction, that is this force added with m1g. Just we here write acceleration of this system will be g plus f, because g plus f, that is f is added with g, and tension of the string T will be g plus f by m1 plus m2. So these are the result. That is, you remember that when a system move with the acceleration m, then this acceleration becomes g plus f, that is f will be added, and tension, that is here also g f will be added, that is g plus f, that is g plus f. Okay, if the whole system moves with acceleration f, then acceleration becomes here g plus f, and tension also g plus f, that is f is added with g. Now if the whole system moves downward with the acceleration f, then acceleration becomes m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2 into g minus f, and tension becomes g minus f. This is the result. Okay, you will memorize this formula to solve the MCQ more quickly. This is the two system m1 m2. Find the acceleration of two blocks and tension of the string, So for this system, what is the acceleration of the two blocks and tension of the string? Now if we write the constant equation, suppose these blocks move in this direction, here the acceleration is not same, because here the acceleration is not same. We explain this, why the acceleration is not same, by first discuss by constant equation, then I discuss by general concept. So by constant equation, we can explain why the acceleration of this block and this block is not constant. Suppose we take any moment, the distance of this block is suppose x2, and this block is x1. This is fixed, so we can take this distance up to this. So at any moment, suppose this distance is x2 and this distance is x1. So if we calculate the length of the string, what happens? Then length of the string is here x1, and it is x2. So length of the string is 2x1 plus x2. Understand that this is x1, this is x1. This length is constant, so we this is negligible, this length. So we avoid this. This is always constant. So this if we neglect this length, that is some part of the circumference, then this is x1, this is x1, this is x2. So total length of the string is 2x1 plus x2. This is L. Now if we differentiate 1 times, then we get equal to 0, and if we differentiate once again, we get this. So a2 equal to minus 2a1. That is, if acceleration of this block is a2 and acceleration of this block is a1, then what is the result? A2 will be double of A1 and opposite direction, because minus is present here, so A2 is double of A1. From the constant equation we get this result. Now by this is simple idea. When this pulley moves, suppose here, when the pulley moves upward, suppose from this position to this position, then what length of the string opens? The length of the string opens is this length and this length. So two length will be opened. Suppose if their distance is x and x, then what length will be open? X, 2x. So 2x length will be opened. So this block, if the pulley moves a distance x upward, then this block moves the distance 2x downward by general concept, because this length and this length opens. So the length of the string becomes 2x. So when the pulley moves distance x through the distance x upward, then this block moves downward by the distance 2x. So obviously from this we can say that the acceleration of this block is double of the acceleration of this block. So we can understand by general concept, or if the more system comes, then we can use the constant equation. So we get the relation between A1 and A2. And the next problem, this system and this system are same. Here acceleration of this block will be double of this block. So to remember easily, student can understand that if the block which is attached with a single string, the acceleration of that block will be double of the acceleration of the block which is attached by two string. This is two string, this one. So the block which is attached by two string, this block is attached by two string and this block is attached by single string. So always acceleration of this block which is attached by single string is double of the acceleration of the block which is attached by double string. So acceleration of A2 equal to double of acceleration of A1 if we take the magnitude. By constant equation we get A2 equal to minus 2A1. That is magnitude and direction both we get from constant equation. What is the free body diagram? Free body diagram is that this and M2, this is M1, this is M2. Now as the string is same, this, so by this, just the string is same, this and this, the string is same, so tension is always same. So this is T. Now what is the equation of this? 2T minus M1G equal to M1. Suppose this is A1 and this is A2, so this is A2, that is M2G minus T equal to M2 A2. Equation of this block, this is moved M2G, this is acceleration A2, so M2G minus T equal to M2 A2. Now what is A2? A2 is 2A1. When we put acceleration with just magnitude, we take the magnitude of the acceleration. Now M2 into 2A1. Now easily we get tension and acceleration. So first to get A1 we cancel T, so this is 1 and this is 2. If we multiply T, 2, if we multiply 2 and so cancel this and we get easily A1. So we get A1 and putting A1 in this equation we get T. So this is this way you can solve the problem. Now another example is this is one example. For this system, what is the relation between acceleration and what is the relation between accelerations of 3 blocks or velocities of 3 blocks? What is the relation between acceleration of the 3 blocks here? Now to find the, we can find the relation between the 3 blocks by using the constant equation. So what is the constant equation here? Now take this distance is x1, suppose this is x1 and this length is suppose x4. So suppose this length is x4, this is x1 and this length is from, so we take always from the fixed point. We take the distance from the fixed point. So this is x1, this is x4 and suppose this is x3 and this distance is x2 and this distance is x2. So we always take the distance of different blocks and pulley from the fixed reference line which is not moved, which is fixed. So we take the distance of different blocks and pulley from a fixed reference line. So we take this is as x1, this is x1, this is x2, this pulley is x4 and this pulley is x3. Now what is the here? Two strings is present, this string and this string. This is one string, this is one string and here this is another string. Two strings are present. So suppose this length of the string is L1 and this length of the string is L2. Now to calculate L1, what is L1? L1 equal to, this is x1 and this is x4, this length is, this is x4. So x4 plus x1 becomes L1. Now take, we neglect this part of this length because this is always constant. So x1 plus x4 equal to L1. If we take this length is, suppose this part is suppose L dash. Now L dash is constant. So if we differentiate once again, we get first velocity equal to 0. Now if we differentiate another once more again, then we get a1 plus a4 equal to 0. Now a1 equal to minus a4. So a1 and a4, that is this acceleration are equal but opposite. So that if the block moves upward, then this this pulley moves downward. So a1 equal to minus a4. Now what is the length of this string? The length of the string becomes this part is x2 minus x4. This part is x2 minus x4. That is, we calculate the length L2. L2 is this part. This part is x2 minus x4, and this part is x3 minus x4, x3 minus x4. So which we get x2 plus x3 minus 2x4 equal to constant. Differentiate, then we get a2 plus a3 minus 2 a4 equal to 0. Now a4 equal to minus a1. So we get a2 plus a3 minus 2 of a4 equal to minus a1 equal to 0. That is a2 plus a3 plus 2a1 equal to 0. a2 plus a3 plus 2a1 equal to 0. This is the constant equation. Now if we write in the form of velocity, so this becomes v2 plus v3 plus 2v1 equal to 0. Same way, because we get the velocity by single differentiation. This is the relation between velocity and acceleration. Blocks move with an acceleration, with an velocity, suppose 2 meter per second, and this is 3 meter per second. What is the velocity of this block? Suppose this block and this block move upward with acceleration. Yes. Suppose this block and this block move upward with velocity this and this. What is the velocity of this block? So if we put here v2 equal to the 3 and v3 equal to v3 to v1 upward 2 equal to 0. So v3 equal to 3 . minus 7. That is, if the two blocks move upward with velocity this and this, then this block move downward with this velocity this. We can put here, if the block this block and this block moves upward, because we take upward position is positive and downward position is negative, so here we get negative sign, so we can say that this block moves downward with velocity this. If you are asked that relation between velocity and acceleration between three blocks, suppose the acceleration and velocity of two blocks are given and you have to find the acceleration of another block, then we can use the constant equation. But if we solve the problem, what is the actual velocity, actual acceleration of the three system, then we cannot, then we do the problem by another method. If the whole system, if the system is released, then find the acceleration, of mass of blocks of mass 1 kg, 2 kg and 3 kg. So this is the question. Now this blocks moves with acceleration a1. Now this pulley moves with acceleration also a1. Now a1 is the acceleration, suppose this pulley is a, so we take the acceleration, so the acceleration of block 1 kg be a1, and acceleration of, suppose this is pulley b, acceleration of block 1 kg be a1 with respect to fixed pulley a. Suppose this is fixed pulley a. Now with respect to this, the block moves with acceleration a1. Now the pulley b is movable, so if the pulley b is movable with acceleration a1, and suppose 2 kg and 3 kg block moves upward, 2 kg block moves with acceleration a2, now 3 kg blocks moves with acceleration a2. So now let a2 be the acceleration of blocks 2 kg and 3 kg with respect to pulley b, pulley b is movable, so with respect to pulley b we take the acceleration is a2. Now what is the we have to take the actual acceleration, that is with respect to fixed pulley. So what is the acceleration of this block with respect to fixed pulley? Acceleration of 2 kg will be a2 minus a1, because this pulley is moved downward, this is upward, so with respect to this pulley moves with effective acceleration this a2 minus a1. Now acceleration of 3 kg, this is with respect to a, equal to a2 plus a1, because these pulleys move with acceleration a1, and with respect to this pulley moves with acceleration a2. So with fixed pulley a, what is the actual acceleration? a2 plus a1. If a1 is fixed, this is acceleration a2. Now as this pulley moves with acceleration a1, so a1 and a2 same direction, this will be added, and a1 a2 opposite direction, this will be subtracted. So acceleration of 2 kg blocks is this, and acceleration of 3 kg block this. Now we have two variables, a1 and a2 only. So if we draw the Fibonacci diagram, what happens? So here 1 into g acts in the direction, this is t, and so for 2 kg block, what is the equation becomes t1 minus 2g equal to 2 into a2 minus a1, this is equation 2. And for 3 kg block, what is the equation becomes 3g minus t1 equal to m into a2 plus a1. This is another equation, and and what is the relation between t and t1? Relation between t and t1 is, if we draw this pulley b, then we get this is t and this is t1, What is the relation? So relation is t equal to 2t1, because the pulley has, we take the pulley has no mass, If the mass is present, then tension will be different. So here we consider always to solve this type of problem, pulley A and B has no mass. We take pulley A and B has no masses. Light pulley. For light pulley, so for light pulley, if we take the equation T minus 2T1, suppose this pulley moves downward with an acceleration A. Now 2T1 minus T will be mb. Here mass of the pulley be 0, so 0 into acceleration A2 plus this acceleration is a1, so this part is 0, so that is T equal to 2T1. So we get three equation. One, we get the three equation. One, this is one equation, this is two equation, this is three equation, and another equation is this. So we can easily find a1 and a2. First eliminate T, and then we first eliminate T. So how way we solve this problem? First, from equation 1, T equal plus a1, T equal to G plus a1. Now 2 and 3 add, 2 plus 3, add 2 and 3. So 3G minus 2G, G equal to 3a2 plus 2a2, 5a2, 3a1 minus 2 and plus a1, G equal to this. So we get one equation, and T equal to 2T1. From this, T equal to this, and here if we get T1 from 2 we get T1 equal to 2G plus 2a2 minus 2a1. So T equal to this, G plus a1 equal to, this is T equal to G plus a1 equal to 2T1 2 of T1 equal to this 2G plus 2a2 minus T1, that is G plus a1 equal to 4G plus 4a2 minus 4a1. So 4a2 minus 4a1 minus a1 minus 5a1 equal to minus 3G. So 5a1 minus 4a2 equal to 3G. From this, suppose this is 4 and 5. If we solve 4 and 5, we get a1 and a2. If we add 5 by 5, 4 into 5, we get 5a1 plus 25a2 equal to 5G, and 5a1 minus 4a2 equal to 3G. So if we subtract this we get 29 a2 equal to 2G. So a2 equal to 2G by 29, a2 equal to 2G by 29. So we get a2 equal to 2G by 29. If we get a2, then we get a1. We get a1 equal to G minus 5 a2, which is equal to G minus 5 a2, 2G by 29, that is 19G by 29. So we get a1 and a2, a1 this, and a2 is this. So what is the acceleration of this pulley? 1 kg. So acceleration of pulley, so acceleration of block 1 kg equal to acceleration of block 1 kg equal to a1, which is equal to 29, and acceleration of block 2 kg equal to a2 minus a1. Acceleration of block 2 kg equal to a2 minus a1, which is equal to a2 minus a1. So a2 equal to 2G by 29 minus a1 equal to 19G by 29, which is get G by 29, and an acceleration of block 3 kg equal to a1 plus a2, which is we get 19 plus 20, 21G by 29. So this is positive. As this is positive, so these blocks move upward, and as this is negative, so this block move downward. So this is actual acceleration with respect to fixed pulley A. Actual acceleration with respect to fixed pulley is A, and we get A1 equal to positive, so this move upward. So block A moves upward, we get block move A upward, and block 2 acceleration of block 2 kg is negative. So negative means this block actually with respect to fixed pulley actually moves downward, and A2 is, and acceleration block 3 kg is upward, that is this moves upward, this A1 plus A2, that is this. Students, this is the end of the class today. To get such type of video and continue the theory and my whole course, subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.